This is 90 miles, 90 meters. This is. Love you, Arshad. And Neeraj is the silver medalist. Congratulations, India. Is getting ready for one last time. The champion from Pakistan is holding the javelin in the golden arm. The man with the golden arm is getting ready. The crowd are cheering him. This is heartening to see. The Goras are there. You know, the Asians are there. Indians are there cheering Nadeem, Arshad Nadeem all the way. Arshad, one last time. This is gonna be the great effort.
Crowd dekhe
3, 2, 1. The aeroplane takes off. Here he goes. ये अच्छा मारा है. 80, 87, 88.
89.
This is 90 miles, 90 meters. This is 90 plus meters. Arshad Nadeem rocks. Arshad Nadeem rocks. He is gonna lift the gold for Pakistan and world. Yes! Oh yes, Pakistan has done it. Arshad has done it. He has broken the previous records. Bravo! Bravo! He is down on his knees. Goes for the sajda. Thanks the Almighty for the wonderful thing that He has done. Thank you very much, Arshad. You have made us proud. You have made us proud. He has got tears in his eyes. He has got emotional. He has got every right to get emotional. Bravo! Great job by Arshad Nadeem. He has lived right now. But this is something we are proud of. Oh, great. Proud of you. You know, he's...
इमोशनल हो गए हैं.
Yes, he's showing to the world that he has done it for Pakistan, for us. You know, we are mighty pleased. Love you, Arshad. And Neeraj is the silver medalist. Congratulations, India. Bravo. And the Grenadian, जो हमने पोल डाला था, exactly वही हुआ, जो result आया. So we are mighty pleased. Arshad has won us the gold, and Neeraj has got the silver. God bless you. Thank you very much for the support. And we are mighty pleased with all this. Oh, great show. Oh, yes. Emotions, we cannot even define them.
True patriot.
Oh, no, not true patriot. This is something. बहुत मज़ा आया. Loved it. क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि इंडिया को भी मेडल मिले. You know, bit you know, emotional for Neeraj. अगर नीरज को गोल्ड मिलता, I swear to God, I would have been more than happy कि Arshad stood second. नेवर माइंड. मैं सोच रहा था कि वो 92 से ऊपर जाएंगे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो 90 को भी टच नहीं कर सके. 89.45 दैट वाज द मैक्सिमम बाय नीरज. बट नेवर द लेस नीरज वेरी लकी इन माई ओपिनियन. 5 क्रॉस थे आउट ऑफ 6, बट स्टिल यू नो द 89.45 डिड इट फॉर हिम. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच मुकेश एंड एवरीबडी. गॉड ब्लेस यू वेर एवर यू आर. तो आज तो मज़ा आ गया. रोमांच रहा आज के दिन. बढ़िया प्रयास किया अरशद ने, और उसने हमें वो तोहफा दिया दैट वी जस्ट कांट बिलीव. ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि आई ऑनेस्टली इफ आई टेल यू, यू नो, आई फॉर माई सेल्फ थॉट दैट ही इज़ नॉट fully fit. He may not, you know, extra mile नहीं जा सकेंगे. He might just finish, you know, okay if he fetches the bronze, because last time around टोक्यो में 21 में he was 5th number player. So it was something, you know, going through the mind somewhere, you know, at the back of the mind. I thought maybe it's gonna be very difficult. It's not gonna be our day. Maybe we may just lose it. So Daniel says, saw your last live video late. You got lots of support on that video. बहुत ख़राब चल रहा है मुल्क में. इकोनॉमिक क्रंच चल रहा है. Things are beyond control. You know, we have been compressed. We are living, you know, बहुत मुश्किल life. The most difficult lives that we have ever come across in our, you know, history. But still, you know, this was something that we needed to fetch. We needed it dearly. You know, हम जीत ही नहीं पा रहे. हमने क्रिकेट पे इतना बुरा किया, हमने हॉकी में इतना बुरा किया, हमने फुटबॉल में अभी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ गुड. अरशद के डंडे में
कहीं चिप तो नहीं लगी हुई थी.
Oh, great one. Loved it, Mukesh. I love you for this. This is hilarious. You know, this is टॉप नॉच आई वुड से, क्योंकि आई टेल यू कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुई है मेरे अंदर से, मेरे को लगता है कुछ हुआ है, क्योंकि
भैया पता करो, पता
भैया
लगाओ।
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है।